Hey guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the Clelifove, I hope I'm saying it correctly, Clelifove oral appliance. It's an ultrasonic cleaner. So I use retainers, Invisaligns, and this is great because it helps to keep them clean. And I have tried just the containers, and you put the little fizzy thing in it and then you sit it overnight. Child, no. I have used those and sat it up for hours and hours and hours overnight, 2 days, and it still didn't clean. Why this works, and I'll show you. I'll open up the box so you can see all that's inside. So this comes inside the box. I'm going to set it aside. And what you're getting with it is, obviously, you have the cord. So it's a pretty long cord. It can go the distance. So you don't have to worry about not being able to plug. The plug might be a little lower on the ground and this is up on the table. You're fine. Then the appliance itself is here, and it has this magnetic closure. You see these gold, and they match up with the magnetic closure. So it keeps it closed. See? Wiggle proof. What I like about the back also, this is the plug for the outlet. It covers it, so you don't damage the appliance's machinations with water, because you just rinse it out. This gets covered. So in the front, you have the button that you press here. So you basically, one thing I want to stress is inside here, you'll see a line that says max. You may not notice it at first. I read someone's review and I saw that not to do that. So pay attention. This, you put the water, and I use distilled water because tap water can sometimes have stuff in it that will attach. And the whole point of cleaning your oral appliances is to get them clean. So distilled water is what I use. I fill it up to where it says just below max, just to be safe, because it bubbles. But the other part of it is, you see inside is stainless steel, nice clean surface. I have used this now for about a month. I use it 2 to 3 times a week on my top and bottom retainers. So once you close it down, just match it up. And there's a couple of settings. The first setting is for about, I think it's 10 minutes. And it's just, the other thing is you put the drops in. So this is, you add the distilled water, you put the little fizzy drop in there. And I don't always do the fizzy drop. Sometimes I just use it with the water. The fizzy drops I like to do when I do a deep cleansing once a week. And that's when I put it on the second setting. And that has the red circle around it. And that goes for, I think, like 15 or 20 minutes. Those are great. And I like that it's also compact. And it hums. You just hear like a little hum as it's going. It's not going to disturb you. It's not noisy. So don't believe if someone's saying that. And what I like too is it comes with a little cloth so you can dry things off. And it also comes with a pair of tweezers. So once your appliances are inside and in the water, before you dump it, you just reach inside, snap them up with these. You dry them off with that, and then you're all good. So again, this is the Clelifove, and I highly recommend it for you for your appliances.